In this training video, we'll walk you through the service request section, providing you with all the tools you need to efficiently navigate and monitor your organization's requests. Let's dive right in. The service request section gives you a comprehensive overview of all the service requests submitted for your organization. To make your experience even more tailored, we've provided you with some fantastic options for navigation. Up in the top right corner, you'll find the powerful filter tool. This allows you to specify your search criteria, ensuring that you see only the requests that matter most to you. You can filter by device information, facility details, specific work order information, and even specific date ranges. Need to focus on a particular aspect? The filter has got you covered. But that's not all. Customization is key. Head over to the gear icon on the top right to select which information appears on your dashboard. Tailor it to your needs by choosing what to show or hide and arranging the order of information. Your dashboard your way. Now let's talk about digging deeper. Say you want to get into the nitty-gritty details of a specific job. Simply select the job or work order ID number to access detailed information. From here, you can make updates, track progress on jobs in real time, and find all the essential details for both ongoing and completed work. It's like having a backstage pass to your service requests. And there you have it. Navigating the service request section is a breeze with UptimeHealth. We've put the power in your hands, allowing you to manage your requests efficiently and effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team.